Hot one, hot two, woo! Okay, I know nothing about football or Super Bowl, but this is the second biggest eating holiday next to Thanksgiving. And here's some of the things that get consumed. 1.3 billion chicken wings. That means over 600,000 chickens die so people can have a few wings. That's 4 wings for every man, woman, and child in the United States alone. So we're talking about 325 million gallons of beer gets consumed, over 11 million pounds of potato chips, and there's tons of other things. So I think something like 32 million pounds of snacks are consumed on that one day, and the average person is consuming about 2,300 calories just on the Super Bowl meal alone. So it's no wonder that the Monday following Super Bowl, 16.5 million people who are gainfully employed miss that Monday's work. And also the antacid sales go up about 20%. So we have some ideas on how you can actually enjoy the Super Bowl. I don't understand it, but people love it, and how you can actually love it, enjoy the day, and still feel good the next day, so you can actually show up, not just at work, feeling good and present to actually do the thing that you're meant to be doing in the world. So apart from loving football and getting excited, here's some simple things that you can do to help you enjoy the day more. So first of all, as we're big fans of, start off the day with the biggest act of self-love and nourishing yourself. So if you're in a hurry and you know you're going to be busy getting prepared or running here and there, just have a smoothie. We've got tons of recipes for great smoothies that are going to nourish, energize, and protect you and give you a nice foundation throughout the day. So the other thing to do is, if you know you're going to be consuming more alcohol than normal, hydrate. Hydration is one of the best things you can do to minimize the impacts of blood alcohol. The effects of alcohol in your blood. Okay, so, and while you're actually enjoying, all the things that you enjoy at Super Bowl, if you can have some lovely sparkling water on hand, so every time you have a drink, you can actually follow it up with some sparkling water with some squeeze of lime in it. Lime seems to be like the king of citrus, and everything tastes a little bit more classy with a bit of lime in it. Okay. The other thing that you can do is, before guests arrive, the day before, you can actually have a meal ready to go to just kind of, it doesn't have to be really heavy, but just make sure it's got tons of nourishment in. Or what you can do is make extra smoothie in the morning and then have another one that you actually consume before everyone comes over for Super Bowl. So the last piece of advice is one of the things that we know makes the biggest difference in people's lives when it comes to food and food addiction. So the number one cause of addiction is disconnection. So while you're enjoying the Super Bowl, make sure that you actually have moments where you're truly present with people. You're enjoying the rah-rah of it all. I don't even understand the terminology to help you in that respect, but I do know that people just love the competition and the excitement, and whether their team's winning or losing, the adrenaline, the ups and downs. If you can just have moments of true connection with people, asking people how they're doing, how their year's going, if there's anything that you can do to help, or just, really kind of easy stuff that show that you're truly present with one another. If you can do that and connect and get those little bits of nourishment in, pace yourself when it comes to alcohol, or even doing something truly radical, enjoying a Super Bowl without alcohol. I know we could probably do a whole other Sweet Freedom Sunday on that. So whether you take our suggestions, take one of them or take all of them, what I wish for you most on this day is that you actually feel, number one, connected to your body. Nourishing it will do that. Connecting with other people will actually help you feel connected, not just within your body, but your mind, heart, and soul. So go team, whoever you root for, but especially go you. So if you've liked this video, please press like, subscribe to our channel, and for more information, simply go to sweetfreedom.ca.